from
Okay.
1.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, children, we started the new chapter, decimals. And what do you mean by the term deci? 10. Okay, the term deci means 10, and there are two parts for a decimal point: one whole number, decimal, and the decimal part. This whole number is also known as integral part. Very good. And what about the decimal part? That is also the fractional part, fractional or decimal part. And also, children, we learned how to expand the decimal numbers. We discussed how to expand the decimals, how to read the number. Yes. And in the last class, we done how to convert fraction to decimals. How to convert fraction to decimals. I will write one number and let me see who can explain that to me, so that if anyone was absent or anyone who have any confusion, they can learn it again. So I have a number 3/10. This is a fraction. Yes, children, this is a fraction. I want to convert into decimal.
Ma'am, Kasina can say.
Yes, Kasina. All others listen carefully. I want the step, Kasina, not only the answer. Okay.
Ma'am, there is only one place. There is only 1 0. There is only one place. So we have to plus these fractions and write the answer. It is
okay. So the
zero.
Simply, children, first write the numerator here. Okay. Count the number of 0 here. How many 0? 1. Then we have to place a decimal point after one place from the right side. Only this much. Okay. So, children, here the integral part is nothing. If there is no number, what we should do? We will write here 0.3. Okay, 0.3. So, Tejasri, what we have done here, we will write the number here and count the number of zeros in the denominator. How many are there? Only 1. 0. So we have to place a decimal point after how many places? After one digit. That is 3. Here we will put the place. Why we put here 0? Because here the integral part or the whole number is nothing. That means 0. So Amrin, I am writing here 30/100. What's the answer, Amrin?
Ma'am, 0.
0.30. How to read the number? Don't forget.
30.
0.0. After the decimal point, children, we will not say that number together. We have to separate the digits. 30. Okay, 0.30. Understood? Why? Can you explain, Amrin?
Yes,
we will write the number 30. Then
the integral part is nothing.
Integral part is 0 because there is no number here. Okay.
Then we not need to count because 2 digits are there.
Count the number of zeros in the denominator. How many are there?
2.
2. So we will place the decimal point 1, 2 after 2 digits. Yes, children. It is depending on the number of zeros in the denominator. It depends on the number of zeros in the denominator. There are 2 0. So we have to place the decimal point 1, 2 after 2 digits from the right side. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But if sometimes, children, look here, I have only 3, but the denominator is 100. Here only 1 digit, but here I have 2 zeros. So what is the answer?
0.03.
Very good. 0.03. Yes, children. 0.03. Why? I will write here the number, that is the numerator. And I will place, look at the number of zeros in the denominator. How many are there? 2. But when I can start here, only one place only. So I have to add 1 0 for that, because there is only one number, but I should get 2. So where will I add the 0? In front. Okay, not to the right side. I have to put a 0 where? To the left side of the number. So I will take 1, 2. I will put a decimal point after 2 digits from the right side. Here nothing, so 0.03. If you don't put 0 also, no problem, but for easy to, we will add 1 0. 0.03. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tejasri?
Ma'am, I have one doubt. Yes, ma'am.
Oh. 1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, Tejasri, do you understand now?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes.
I understand.
Yes, who is asking me now?
Ma'am, in the
Who is speaking now? Aradhya, please wait. Yes, Nia.
ma'am, in the first question, we do not need to put 03 like that.
0.3, yes, we have done. But why here?
No,
This
0.
one, Nia. Here
Yes.
only 1 0. Only one place we need, that we have already. But here 2 0. So we should need 2 places. 1, 2. Here nothing, so we have to add 0. Because here there are 2 decimal place should be there. Why? Because there are 2 zeros. Here only 1 0. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Andrea, Aradhya.
Ma'am, while we have only one digit like 3/4, how we will convert it?
3/4.
Yes.
No, we will study only with the denominator 10, 100 like that. Okay. We will not write fractions with some other numbers. Only the multiples of 10. Because we look at the decimal places 10th, 100th, 1000th like that only. So we have only the powers of 10 for the denominator. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, next we are going to learn. Children, in the last class, what we learned? How to convert?
Convert
Fraction
to
decimal. Now what we are going to learn? The opposite. Decimal to
fraction.
So listen carefully. Let me see who is. I will ask everyone what are the steps. I will explain the steps now. Those who are listening carefully, everyone. Those who are not listening carefully, whose video is off, I will ask them first now. You have to tell me. I will speak. I will explain. Then what I will call you to explain. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, ready.
Yes.
Yes,
Oh.
ma'am. Ma'am, Tejasri is not on her video.
Just listen. Okay, children, this is very easy. So what is the topic, children? What we are going to listen carefully first. Don't speak in between. Conversion of, we are going to learn something different that is new today. Conversion of decimals to fractions. Decimals to fraction. So we have a decimal number. So for example, I will give you one decimal number here, 2.3. So what is this number, children? This is a decimal number. We can see a decimal point here. Yes, 2.3. What we are going to make? We are going to make a fraction. Yes. So I'm going to explain the steps. You have to listen. I will ask you now itself. So first one, step one, write the number without decimal point. Is that clear? Write the number 2 and 3. Write it together without decimal point. That is the first step. Okay. Then divide by. Count the number. Second step one is count. Write without decimal point. Without decimal. Write the number without decimal point. Second step 2, count the number of decimal places. Count the number of decimal places. After the decimal point, how many digits are there? You have to count. How many are there?
2.
2. After the decimal point, I cannot see.
3.
Who said 2? I think you need to put the specs over there. Yes. 2.3. After how many are there?
1.
1. Yes. See, children, after the decimal point, there is only one digit. That is 3. What is that? Only one digit. That is 3. So, children, I have to write 1. After that, the number of zeros will be equal to number of decimal place. Here, there is only one decimal place. So, here I had to write only 1 0. The opposite what we have done, no? You remember. So, here, only one decimal place. So here I have how many zeros? After 1, I have to place only 1 0. So what is the fraction, children, here? 23 by 10. So children, if I have 2.03, what should I do? First step, write the number
Write the
without decimal point. 203. So that is 203. Yes? 203. What is that? 203. Okay. Now step 2. What do you have to do? Count the number of decimal places. Now count and tell me how many decimal places are there. Very good. Here I have here 1, then here 2. So this is 1 digit, this is second digit. So how many digits are there, children, here? 2 decimal. So the number of zeros will be same and it should be followed by 1. Every time we will write 1. After that we are checking how many zeros. Here there are 2 decimal place. So how many zeros?
1 0.
There are 2 decimal place. So there are 2 zeros. So what is that? 100. 1 followed by 2 0. 1 followed by 2 0 means?
Ma'am,
So children, look here. I will explain one more time. Now I will make you to repeat the steps. First, what we have to do, write the number without decimal point. That is the first step.
Number without decimal point.
Okay. Second step, what we have to do, count the number of decimal places.
Decimal places.
Decimal places. How after the decimal point, how many places are there? That much zeros will be there after the number 1. There, the denominator. Okay.
Yes.
The denominator 1 followed by that much zeros. How many zeros? The number of decimal places. How many decimal places are there? That much zeros will be there. Okay. I'll give you one more question. After that, you have to do some questions where in the rough book.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell Muhammad Ishan to mute?
All of you mute. All the children mute your device. So here I have 5.3. Who can explain this?
Ma'am, Amrit.
Meha, yes.
Yeah.
Meha Mahesh. All the children listen carefully. Meha is going to speak louder. Yes. Write the number without decimal point. 5.3, that is 53. Okay.
Then we should look how many decimal places are there.
How many decimal places are there here? 1. Okay, 1. Okay, then here 1 followed by how many 0 will be there? 1 0. So what is that fraction?
53 by 10.
10. 53 by 10. Yes, children, is that clear? Only this much, very easy. Write the number. We have to write a fraction. We don't want any decimal point because the decimal we have to make into the fraction. So is there any decimal will be there in the fraction? No. So write the number without a decimal point. Then denominator you have to check. How we can check that? We have to count the number of decimal places. How many decimal places are there? If that much zeros will be in the denominator. Only these 2 steps you have to check. Okay, now children, I will give you some questions you can do in the rough book faster.
Ma'am, we want to do workbook, no?
Workbook we will do later, after some time. So here 105.43. This is a decimal number. Children, you can convert into fraction. Question number B. $13.07. Very easy. You can do within 1 minute. Yes, Veda. What's the answer of question number A? Veda?
10,500 43.
So first children, what you have to do? 10543. Write the numerator without decimal point. Okay. Divided by which number?
100.
100. Why children? Because here after the decimal point we have 1, 2. 2 decimal places. So we need 20 in the denominator. Yes? Is that clear? Dave John, can you give me the answer of question number B?
Yes, ma'am. The
1.
130.
Just say the number 1307 divided by
7 divided by 7.
1307 divided by
7.
divided by
100.
100. Why some children they hear children here 1 digit, here 1 digit. So after 1 we have to look here. The number of zeros will be same as the number of decimal places. Here there are 2 decimal places. So here there should be 2 zeros. So that is 1307 divided by 100. Is that clear?
Ma'am, can you give one more question?
We will do in the workbook. First, quickly take out your page number
Ma'am, I have
4040.
my page.
4040.
Ma'am, I have took my page.
Okay. Page number 40.
Ma'am, can I read?
Wait. All of you mute your device. I will call one by one. Ronit Lijo.
Ma'am, I have to off my video.
Ronit Lijo.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I off my video?
The decimal.
1 minute, my dear. 1 minute. Children, you have done till question number 11. Yes?
Yes.
So
Yes,
Ronit is
ma'am.
going to read question number 12. 12.
I did it to 11.
By
Convert the. I will do 10. Convert the decimal to 6.04 into a fraction.
okay, so convert. Okay, 1 minute, children. Please check the page number whether you have done taken correctly. Page number 40. So Rayan, why you have not done 49 by 100? That is
Ma'am,
question number 11 that we have done in the last class. You have to write this fraction into decimal. Here there are 2 zeros, so you have to place 1, 2 here. That we have done in the last class. Now Ronit was reading question number 12. Yes, Ronit. What's the number? 26.04. You have to convert into
Finish.
convert into fraction.
Fraction.
So
We need to write the step.
no need. Step you have to tell me. Dave John, tell me the first step. What we have to do?
Ma'am, we have to write the number
Without decimal point.
Without
Okay,
decimal
2604. Write the number without decimal point divided by
Ma'am, 100
100. Yes.
by
Why, children? You have to next step. What is that? You have to count the number of digits. 1, 2. 2 digits are there. That is 2 decimal places. We have 2 zeros in the denominator. Is that clear? Did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the denominator is 100. Okay. Question number 13. Have you done, children, in the last class? 13?
No.
So we will do that now. Yes, Amrin, read that question number 13. That
Convert the fraction into decimal. 5 3 by 10. 2 by 2 3 by 12.
okay, 5 and 3 by 10. So this is a mixed fraction. So what is the integral part here?
5.
5. Okay, 5.
5
Then how we will write?
5.3.
0.3. Yes, 5.3. Just need to write this much only. Okay. 5 is the integral part. And what is the fractional decimal part?
Ma'am,
3 by
can
10
we,
means 5.3.
ma'am, can we do the question number B alone?
Yes, alone.
Finish. I finish all. Ma'am, I finish all.
Those who finish, please wait.
2.03.
Don't tell me the answer now. So what is the question? I hope you have the book with you. 2 and 3 by 100. 2 and 3 by 100.
2.3.
2.3.
2.3.
2.3.
Look at the number of zeros in the denominator, my dear.
2.03.
Ah, 2.03. How many got that answer? 2.03. Raise your hand. Ah, many of you got. Is there anybody got 2.3?
No, ma'am.
No. See, children, the integral part is 2. Okay, that is correct. And look here, we have 2 zeros. So we should have how many decimal place? 2. But here we have only 3. So where we have to place the 0? To the left side of. So the answer is 2.03. 2.03.
Muhammad Ishan, can you please mute some disturbance or coming?
All the children, let me see whether you can mute yours. Mute first. Okay. So 2.03. Why, children? Because there is only one number in the numerator. Denominator, we have 100. So we should have 2 decimal place. If you have only 1, we have to put a 0. Where? To the front of the number. To the left side. Okay. So we have done question number 13, A and B. Children, please check whether your answer. Question number A, we got 5.3. Question number B, we have 2.03. Next, question number, Rehan, read question number 14.
Ma'am, convert decimals into fraction.
Yes. Question number 14, convert the decimal. So what is the first number? A 7.09.
7.09.
Okay. So what we have to do first?
Write the number without decimal point.
Decimal point. So here the numerator will be the number without decimal point. Okay. Then divided by which number?
100.
So that we have 20. Why here? Because 2 decimal place, 2 zeros. So the answer is 709 divided by 100.
790 by 100.
We have one more question. Do alone.
Ma'am, I
7.90.
790 by 100.
790 by
7.90 divided by. So first write the number without decimal point. Then divided by. Look, 1, 2. So here also 100. Did you get the same answer?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. I got the same answer. I got same answer.
Okay. So very easy. Yes, children, write the number without decimal point, and the denominator you have to count the number of decimal place. That is 0. Okay. Next question, Nia. Can you read question number 15?
Am I finished?
Write the following as decimals.
Which form it is given?
Expanded form.
Expanded form is given. We have to write as decimal place.
Decimals.
So can you read question number A? 2
Am I
into
already finished?
2 into
2 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 3 into 1 plus 9 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100.
1 by 100. So all these numbers, children, it is given in the expanded form. We have to write in the decimal numbers.
form.
So first what we have to do, we have to draw a place value chart, decimal place value chart. So now we can draw a place value chart, and the answer we can discuss in the next class. So next, what we are going to do, children, now we have to draw a place value chart.
In the rough book.
I will write here. Short form. My dear, short form we will write. 1000. No, my dear, we will do now. This decimal place chart we will write now, and the answer we can do in the next class. Is that clear?
Can we write the chart in the rough book?
Rough book. No, we already finished writing the decimal number. So please try to write on the side if you have place. Otherwise, do in the rough book. Children,
Ma'am,
we
I write
have
like
decimal place number. We can draw here. Not very big one. We can make it smaller. Nobin, anyway, the answer may be correct, but please draw the place value chart in the rough book now. Okay, Nobin? Because you have already written the answer. So, children, what we are doing now, draw the place value chart. 10,000, 1,000. I'm writing the short form. Then after that, we have 100, tens, ones. This much is the integral part. After this integral part, children, what will be the next?
Decimal point.
Very good. We have to write here decimal point. Decimal.
10 to 100.
Tenth. Yes. After decimal point, children, we have tenths. Then 100. 100th. Okay, we can write all the questions in means A, B, C, D in the same place chart. So before here, we can draw one more small box for writing the numbers A, B, C, and D. A, then B, C, and D. So 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. Afterwards, we have the decimal part. So for that, we have to write decimal point, tenths, hundreds. See, children, while you are taking, while you are drawing that, I am going to take your attendance. See, according to the place expanded form, we will see the numbers. We will place the numbers inside, but that we will do in the next class. So those who have not completed the place value chart, please complete and come for the next class. Okay, and revise
write like
what we
this
have learned. So 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones, then decimal point, 10th, 100. So you have to write here the serial number for the question A, B, C, D. Here it is serial number. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
I write like this.
okay, okay, Nobin. Yes. So we will place the number inside according to the place values, and afterwards we will write it as decimal point. So with that we can do in the next class. And children, please revise what we have learned: conversion of fraction to decimals, decimals to fraction. Okay, children. Have a
Ma'am,
nice
I
day.
have
Thank you.
finished.
Bye bye.
Ma'am, I have
Bye.